Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today, if you saw the title, you know what we're going to be unboxing. Today, we're going to be unboxing the 2020 MacBook Air from Apple. Now this, before we begin, this is not mine. I was just given the opportunity to unbox this MacBook Air. Later in the video, we are going to be comparing my personal MacBook Air with this 2020 MacBook Air. So let's get into the video. So before we begin, I have a couple of announcements to make. So the first announcement being, if you check any of the descriptions for my videos, you will now see a Spotify link to all of the music featured in my videos, with the exception being the iMovie music, because let's be real, who wants to listen to that crap? Even I'm ashamed to use that. But anyway, the playlist consists of the intro and outro tracks from all of my videos. All you need to listen to the music is a Spotify account. You don't need premium or anything. So what are you waiting for? So go over there and hit a like on the playlist. And the second announcement is the discussion page on my channel is where I will be posting many updates for my channel. So I actually announce a lot of my videos on the discussion page. Yeah, those are the two announcements. So now let's get into this MacBook Air. So before we begin with the unboxing, I'm just going to list out some specs for this MacBook Air. So this is the latest MacBook Air. It's a 13-inch model. Came out earlier this year in, I'm pretty sure, March or April of 2020. It is this Space Gray model. It's a 1.1 gigahertz dual core i3 processor with turbo boost up to 3.2 gigahertz. This has a 256 gigabyte storage. It also has Touch ID. This is a Retina display with True Tone, 1.1 gigahertz dual core 10th gen Intel Core i3 processor, as I said before. It is the Intel Iris Plus graphics. It has 8 gigabytes of memory, 256 SSD storage, Magic Keyboard, Touch ID, Force Touch trackpad, and it also has 2 USB-C ports. And USB-C, all the things, am I right? So now let's unbox this. So let's take a look at the package really quickly. So MacBook Air. Apple logo. On this side, we have MacBook Air again, Apple logo. On the back, we just have some things, not really important. So yeah, let's get in. I have the trusty unboxing knife. It has made its return, I guess. Also, this is the first video with an animated intro, so make sure you comment down below what you liked about it and if you want to see any changes to that. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna hold this up, but I'm not gonna hold it up that good because this is pretty heavy. Okay. Okay, throw that to the side. Throw this to the side. MacBook Air 2020. So now the part that you've been waiting for. Let's unbox this. Okay. Slowly but surely. Oh my god, this takes forever. Okay, so we have this part off. Set this to the side here. Here we have the MacBook. Okay, I'm just gonna keep this to the side real quickly and take a look at everything else we get. So we get designed by Apple in California, and I'm pretty sure we get Apple stickers. There's some instructions. Yeah, Apple stickers. And, did we get something else in here? No, that's nothing else. Okay, so we get some Apple stickers. We get this. There's instructions and whatnot. So yeah, let's put this back here. Oh, we also get this. Or I might have been holding that up before. It's not, you know. So let's put this back here. Okay, so we also get this brick. I'm not sure how many watts this is. But if I do, I'll put it in one of the corners. We also have our USB-C charger over here. I don't know how long this is. I'm guessing a few feet. Definitely a few feet. Yeah. So this is a USB-C plug. So you can use this with practically any USB-C charger you have. Yeah, I guess that's it. I don't think there's anything else. So now on to the main attraction, which is the MacBook Air. Okay, so MacBook. So now let's take this part out. Okay, that's the MacBook. I'm gonna toss that to the side here. Now opening it up. Oh, it's already started. Okay, so this is a laptop. Magic keyboard. This is a Touch ID sensor. This is the trackpad. This is the screen. It does look really nice. Not gonna lie. Yeah. So I'm gonna be right back. So here we have the two MacBooks right next to each other. This is a MacBook we just unboxed. It's a 2020 MacBook Air. And this is my personal MacBook. It's an early 2015 model, I'm guessing. I'm not sure. But this is my personal MacBook. It's what I'm using to edit this entire video. And most of my videos this year have been edited on this. So let's get into the hardware differences. So first, if we take a look here, you'll notice that this MacBook has a backlit logo, which is pretty cool. I don't know why Apple stopped doing this, but this logo does not have a backlit image, so I mean, that's a bummer. So one of the notable differences is that this is silver and this is space gray, so the colors are different. Both MacBooks are also a 13-inch display. This one looks a little bigger, and that's honestly because the bezels are a lot bigger than this one's, but the screen size is still the same, 13 inches. Now let's take a look at the ports for the Mac. So this side only has one headphone jack, and this other side only has two USB-C ports, which are over here. Now, my MacBook has a lot more different ports. So this side has a Thunderbolt display, USB-A, and an SD card slot, which is really useful for me considering that a lot of my videos this year have been filmed on a DSLR. This side has MagSafe charging port, USB-A, and a headphone jack, which is pretty cool. MagSafe, I don't know why they took it out, but MagSafe is really, really cool. Yeah, now let's do a keyboard and trackpad test. So first off, let's start with the 2020 Mac. I'm just gonna put this to the side here. So flipping it over. So that's that. Let's test out the trackpad now. You can also double touch on this, but I don't know how to do that. Well, I just did it, but like, I'm not sure what use you get out of that. So now let's test out my MacBook. Alright, so that was the keyboard. Now let's test the trackpad. It's really clicky. Yeah. So that's that. Now let's go through the UI, or the user interface. So first let's go through the user interface for my MacBook. So the user interface for my Mac is pretty simple. You just have a couple of apps on the dock here. You have Finder, System Preferences, Launchpad, FaceTime, Photos, Safari, Chrome, iMovie, Game Capture HD, which is the Elgato software, Spotify, and Brother printer thingy. Refresh rate is not as good. I mean, considering that this is, it is not as good as the 2020 model, but for its time, it was pretty good. And it still is good today. So now let's take a look at this Mac. So obviously I set it up in like 15 minutes. It really doesn't even have anything. It's just a Catalina wallpaper. You have all the stock apps over here. Refresh rate is really smooth, and it feels it's complemented by this really nice trackpad, which is nice. So yeah, I guess that's it for the differences. Comment down below which keyboard you like better. For me, I'm gonna have to go with this keyboard, the Magic Keyboard. But yeah, that's it for the differences. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this. Also, there's finally a new animated outro. There's an animated intro in the beginning, and now there's an animated outro. So, hope you enjoyed. Again, discussion page is open for anyone. That's where I'm going to be putting most of my updates throughout the entire year. Also, the Spotify page is open. You can go access it anytime. Make sure to leave a like on it. Yeah, that's it for this video. Comment, like, and subscribe for more amazing content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.